Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 black screen while gaming. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all press the Window Control Shift and B button and refresh it. After that, the second method is that in the search box type edit power plan. Go to your edit power plan. Click on change advanced power settings. Scroll down. Expand the PCI Express. Expand linked state power management and turn off it. Click on apply and OK button and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.